Next, I'm going to look at conversion of volume units. Now, volume is a measure of space inside a 3D shape, which is a solid shape. Now, you can find volume by basically working out how many little cubes will fit inside the whole space. Alternatively, what you can do is to multiply, find the product of length, multiply by the width, multiply by the height. Now, in this example, I'll explain how to convert from centimeters cubed to millimeters cubed. Now, and I'll use this shape here. Now, suppose this length here is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Alternatively, suppose we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. So we're going to find two answers which will be equivalent for the volume of this shape. So starting with the centimeters, we'll say volume is equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter, which will be equal to 1 centimeter cubed. Alternatively, we can say that the volume of this shape, suppose you want to find the volume in terms of millimeters, that will be 10 millimeters multiplied by 10 millimeters multiplied by 10 millimeters, and that will give us 1,000 millimeters cubed, which implies that 1 centimeter cubed is equals to 1,000 millimeters cubed. Here is another shape, cube, and I'm going to use it to convert from meters cubed to centimeters cubed. Now, we know that suppose the length, the width, and the height of this cube is 1 meter. So 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. But we know that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters, and 100 centimeters. Hence, the volume of this cube will be equal to, in terms of meters, the volume will be equal to 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, which will be equal to 1 meter cubed. But in terms of centimeters, we'll have 100 centimeters multiplied by 100 centimeters multiplied by 100 centimeters, which will give us a million. So that will give us 1 million centimeter cubed. So basically what that means is that 1 meter cubed is equals to 1 million centimeter cubed. The next question, I'm going to look at how to convert from meter cubed to millimeter cubed. Now, suppose the length of each of this cube is 1 meter. But we know that 1 meter is equivalent to 1,000 millimeters. Actually, let me use a different color for that. So 1,000 millimeters. So the volume of this shape will be equal to, in terms of meters, 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, which will be 1 meter cubed. But in terms of millimeters, it will be 1,000 millimeter multiplied by 1,000 millimeter multiplied by 1,000 millimeter, and that will give us 1 billion millimeter cube. So that implies that 1 meter cubed is equals to 1 billion millimeter cube. So here are some examples, and we'll discuss what you're expected to do when you have this kind of questions. Convert 17 centimeters cubed to millimeters cubed. Now you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. It's just like the way we worked out the questions in the previous examples. Just cube each of these guys. So what you'll end up is 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1,000 millimeter cubed. That way, you can be able to know what to do when you're converting from centimeters to millimeters. For example, in this case, to convert from centimeters to millimeters, definitely you're going to multiply by 1,000 because millimeter is a smaller quantity. So, smaller unit. So the same thing here, to move from there to there, you multiply by 1,000. So our solution will be 17 multiplied by 1,000, which is 17,000 millimeter cubed. In the next question, convert centimeters to meters cubed. So we know that 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So, and then just cube these guys. So what you'll end up with is 1 million centimeters cubed is equals to 1 meter cubed. And of course, when you move from the left to the right, you're going to divide by 1 million. So to convert from here to here, we divide by 1 million. Our answer will be 15,000 divided by a million. And that will give us 0.015 meters cubed. Last example, convert 0.063 meters cubed to millimeters. So remember, what you have to do is just find the equivalence of these measurements, not in terms of volume, but in terms of length. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeters. And then, because you want the equivalent measurements for volume, just cube them. So you'll have 1 meter cubed is equals to, and that will be 1 billion millimeters cubed. So which means that because I'm moving from here to here, I'm going to multiply it by 1 billion. So multiply by 1 billion, which will be 0.063 multiplied by 1 billion. and that will be equal to 63 million millimeters cubed.